Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, December the 24th at Dollar General, and I have a totally free scenario for you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded 3 other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out, and I will have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so first up we have a Gain scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the Flings, the liquid laundry detergent, or the Fireworks. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50. One of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50, and you can choose from the Gain powder laundry detergent, the Flings, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, or the Fireworks. And then you want to pick up one of the Gain scented Swiffer mop refills for $5.50. So if you stop right there, we've already met our $30 threshold for our Gain scenario, but we're going to throw in a few extra products to take advantage of some overages. So you want to pick up one of the Crest Scope or Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, 2 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays at $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $38.95. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up that I have included the Crest, Oral-B, Vicks, and Herbal Essences in all of the scenarios for today's video. However, if you don't have that product at your store, or if you've already used that coupon on your account, don't worry about it. On most of these scenarios, you can just leave that item off and you're still going to meet the $25 subtotal for your 5 off $25 scenarios. But like I always say, you guys need to scan your products once you get into the store, because prices can vary from store to store. And if you are 1 penny under that $25 subtotal, that will mess up your whole deal. So for instance, I have one store that is really close to me. The Suave deodorant is $1.35 there. If I go 5 minutes up the road to the next store, they're going to be $1.45. So that 10-cent difference can really mess up the whole deal. But anyways, getting back into this Gain scenario, here is your list of coupons. So you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Swiffer product, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.95 for all 10 items, making each one just $1.09 each. Alright, now for our next scenario, we have a little food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 packs of the Coca-Cola or Fanta Mini 4-packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $8 this week. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Diet Pepsi or Mountain Dew Zero 20 ounces at $2.25 each. One of the Betty Crocker cake mixes at $1.25. One of the Reese candy canes at $2. One of the Holiday Kinder Joys at $1.65. One of the 9 Lives 12-ounce cat foods at $1.25. One of the Purina Prime Bones for $5.75. One of the Palmolive dish soaps, 12.6 ounces for $1.35. One of the Crest Scope or Pro Health toothpaste for $1. One of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1. 2 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays for $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.25. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 3 Coca-Cola minis, the buy one get one free Pepsi and Mountain Dew, the 25-cent off 1 Betty Crocker, 50 cents off 1 Reese's candy cane, 50 cents off 1 Kinder Joy, 75 cents off 1 9 Lives cat food, the 2 off 1 Purina Prime Bones, 25 cents off for the Palmolive, 2 off 1 Crest, 2 off 1 Oral-B, 3 off 2 Vicks, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $9.75 for all 17 items. But the deal gets even better, because right now on Ibotta, we still have that $2 rebate back on the Purina Prime Bones. So that is going to make your final price $7.75 for 17 items, making each one just 45 cents each. All right, next up, we have a little household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Sparkle 6-count double roll paper towels at $6.95, one of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays at $3, one of the Snuggle products at $4.50, one of the Palmolive dish soaps at $1.35, one of the Febreze 1-count car clips at $3.35, and you want to be on the lookout for the Evening Woods or Whispering Woods scent. Then you want to throw in the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste for $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, two of the Vicks 20-count cough drops at $1 each, and two of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays for $1.75 each. And that is going to put your subtotal at $26.65. And here is your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Sparkle paper towels, the 150 off 1 Chlorine spray, the 150 off 1 Snuggle, the 25-cent off 1 Palmolive, the 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, the 2 off 1 Crest, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 3 off 2 Vicks, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.40 for 11 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Alright, now next up we have a really good deal on trash bags. So for this one you want to pick up 2 of the Glad with Clorox trash bags. There are different counts that y'all can choose from. They're priced at $9.75 each. Then throw in the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste for $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 2 of the Vicks cough drops for $1 each, 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays for $1.75 each, and that's going to put your subtotal at $27. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 Glad trash bags, the 2 off 1 Crest, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 3 off 2 Vicks, the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences, and that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $9.50 for all 8 items. But this still gets even better because right now on the coupons.com app, we do have another 150 off 1 manufacturer coupon for the Glad trash bags. So you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $1.50 back. And then this still gets even better because right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a $4 rebate back on the Glad with Clorox trash bags. So you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars and get $4 back. Now, I do want to point out that we actually have 2 different rebates on Inbox Dollars right now for the Glad trash bags. Both of them are for $4 back when you purchase 2, all right? One is for the Clorox trash bags. The other is for scented trash bags. So if you guys need to switch it up in the store, depending on what your store has in stock, you can definitely do that. Just make sure that you open up your Inbox Dollars account. Make sure you have those rebates clipped to your account and read the fine print. That way you know that you're picking up the correct products. Now, if you're not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, this is another rebate app that I highly recommend. I actually did a full video and walkthrough of the app and the website, so I'm going to leave that video linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you're not already signed up, go ahead and use my referral link and you're going to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. Now, after you've submitted your receipt to the coupons.com app and Inbox Dollars, that is going to make your final price just $4 for all 8 items, making each one just 50 cents each. Alright, now next up we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gillette Fusion 5 razor gift sets priced at $10, one of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste priced at $7.25, one of the Suave 1.4 ounce deodorants at $1.35, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each, one of the Oral-B 75 count floss picks at $3.35, one of the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, 2 of the Vicks cough drops for $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays at $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.45. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Gillette product, the 5 off 1 Colgate Optic White, the 75-cent off 1 Suave deodorant, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 2 off 1 Oral-B floss, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.70 for all 12 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each, 2 of the Herbal Essences dry spray travel size at $1.75 each, one of the Suave 1.4 ounce deodorants at $1.35, one of the Oral-B 75 count floss picks at $3.35, one of the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, 2 of the Vicks cough drops at $1 each, 3 of the American greeting cards priced at $1 each, 4 of the Glade air fresheners priced at $1 each, and 2 of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners priced at $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.20. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences, the 75-cent off 1 Suave Deodorant, the 2 off 1 Oral-B Floss, 2 off 1 Crest Toothpaste, 2 off 1 Oral-B Toothbrush, 3 off 2 Vicks products, the 150 off 3 American Greeting Cards, the buy 4 get 1 free Glade Air Fresheners. That's a new one that we just received today. And then you're going to need that 1 off 2 Lysol products. And after all of those coupons have been applied, that is going to make this scenario completely free, plus give you 5 cents in overage. Now that 5 cents should apply to your taxes, but in the event that it does not, do not let the cashiers give you cash back ever. Whenever we have any overages, you have to put something else into your buggy for that overage to apply to. So you guys throw in a cheap piece of candy, a pack of gum, or something else from the dollar aisle, because we do not want to get our cashiers in trouble, especially when we are getting a completely free scenario and being able to take advantage of this overage. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 5 off $25 scenarios. I hope all of you are having happy holidays out there. Happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, all of the above. Next weekend, we're going to be saying Happy New Year and rolling into 2023. So we have got a lot of exciting things happening over the next few weeks, and we are going to have some really good deals roll around right after Christmas. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned, and also make sure that you're staying warm out there. I know that a lot of us got hit with the snowstorm and below freezing temperatures. I believe my thermometer says 1 degree right now. So you guys let me know what is the temperature in your area down in the comment section below. But you guys stay safe out there, stay warm, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a Merry Christmas, and I will see you on the next one.